Alright, so I got this 3D printer in the mail today. A Geeetech A10T. And look at this. CCP. Anyway, just gonna open it up. It's from China. Just like your boy Trump should say it, from China. I'm excited. I ordered this only a couple days ago. It came really fast. Okay, so what do we got in the box? The leveling paper. This is documentation. Looks pretty simple. I like how it's packaged nicely. Piece of filament. Controller. Leave that in there for now. It's hard to do this all one-handed. And the extruder hoses, or pipes, guides, whatever you want to call them. Okay. Mouse pad, pretty cool. I guess that's a freebie. Tools, USB cable, some samples of filament. I don't know what they call this, but I'm going to call this the bird cage. That doesn't look good. Oh wait, no, it's supposed to be there. My bad. See where it connects. All the little tools in there. And parts. Extruder. Extruder. Beefy print head. Sorry, I'm switching angles mid-video. There's the power source. That's pretty beefy too. Alright, so basically, that's what you get. I'm going to do another video later, after I take it out of the box and start to set it up.